Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to change currency on Skyscanner. I wonder why you want to know how to change currency on Skyscanner. Maybe because you want to change the currency because you have just moved out from another country to another country. So you want to use the currency of the new country, or maybe you just want to use the global currency which is dollar, so that's why you're going for it, or there could be any other reason for you to change the currency on the Skyscanner. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Skyscanner app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Skyscanner app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, at the top, we have the title of the app, and then we have different options almost all over the screen. Right now, we are in the home section, therefore, we could see different options. Other than that, we have two options, trips and profile. Trips is the middle one. With the help of this option, you could get planned trips, or maybe you can plan trips on your own. And the last option is for profile. So once you get to a profile, you will see this interface. First, you will read the title of profile, and there you will see different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these things, you just have to simply click onto this option, which is settings. Once you tap on it, you will see the first title of settings, and there you will see different options. So here at first we have the option currency. With the help of that option, you can choose or select any other currency. Right now, the currency of Argentina has been selected. So now we will see how we can change it. So just simply tap on it, and there you will see all the currencies from the world. It has almost all the currencies that are belong to each country. So from all these currencies, you can just explore and search what you're looking for. Other than that, we have this search bar option at the top. With the help of that, you can type and can find the currency of your choice. It is better to go with the global currency, or maybe you can go with any other currency of your choice. After that, just simply click on save, and the new currency that you just have selected gets uploaded on your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change currency on Skyscanner. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.